Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing both devices, your phone and the device you'll cast from. Make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi network because casting negotiates directly over local IPs. Without this, discovery fails. Open the casting app now, Google Home, AirPlay in Control Center, or the TV Maker's app, and grant required permissions like location or local network. Once done, allow Bluetooth if prompted. It accelerates device discovery. Now tap the device list so you can pick the target for cast. You'll now initiate the cast and configure what gets sent. In the app's cast or screen mirroring menu, select the target device you prepared. The phone negotiates a session and may show a PIN. Choose what you're casting, entire screen, a single app, or a media file, because each path uses different encoding and bandwidth. Adjust quality settings if available, and check orientation and audio output so sound routes to the right speaker. Once configured, press Cast or Start and watch the connection establish. To finish, control playback from your phone, pause, stop, or disconnect when you're done, leaving a cast running wastes battery. If you see lag, lower the stream quality or move both devices near the router because Wi-Fi congestion causes stutter. You can also switch to 5 GHz for less interference. If discovery fails or the stream freezes, reboot the phone, the target device, or the router in that order. This clears stale network state and often fixes the issue immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.